Welcome, in this video we will learn BruteXSS cross-site scripting brute force. BruteXSS is very powerful and fast cross-site scripting brute forcer which is used for brute forcing a parameters. The BruteXSS injects multiple payloads loaded from specified word list and fires them at the specified parameters and scans if any of the parameter is vulnerable to cross-site scripting vulnerability. BruteXSS is very accurate at doing its task and there is no chance of false positive as scanning is much powerful. BruteXSS supports post and get requests which makes it compatible with the modern web applications. BruteXSS is sponsored and supported by NetSparker Web Application Security Scanner. Features: XSS brute forcing, XSS scanning, supports get and post request, custom word list can be included, user-friendly user interface, compatibility, Windows, Linux or any device running Python 2.7. Requirement: Python 2.7, word list included, modules required, Coloroma, Mechanize. Let's open up the browser and download BruteXSS cross-site scripting brute forcer. Here I already opened this up. In GitHub, go to this URL, download the zip file. Here I have already downloaded it. Now let's open up Linux OS. Here I extracted file and saved on the desktop. Let's open up the terminal. I will use ls command. ls is a command to list files in Unix and Unix-like operating system. ls is basically used to list the files. We'll type ls here, desktop, document, download, music, pictures, etc. I have saved BruteXSS folder in desktop, so I will select desktop, type cd desktop and type ls and click on enter. Here you can see that BruteXSS folder is displayed here. Let's select BruteXSS, change directory to BruteXSS master, that is cd BruteXSS -master. Now type ls. Now let's run BruteXSS.py Python file. For that I will type python BruteXSS.py. Here you can see that BruteXSS is ran. Now select the form methods, get method and post method. Here I selected get method. For that I will type g. The next step is enter the URL. For that let's open the browser. I have opened academypro.com. I copied the method URL. G is the get method parameter. Now I paste the copied URL in terminal and click enter. Let's enter the location and word list as default. Type wordlist.txt and click on enter button. It will check with 25 payloads. Here you can see that vulnerability is found and payload is script, double quotation, end of the script, and again script propped 1 end of the script tag. Type E. Here we exit from BruteXSS. Now let's try with google.co.in website. Type python BruteXSS.py. Here I selected get method. Type G and click on enter. Type URL www.google.co.in. Let's enter the location at word list as default. Type wordlist.txt and click on enter button. Here you can see that all 25 payloads are scanned with the URL. No vulnerability is found. So that's it in this video on BruteXSS. Thank you for watching this video.